Hi, this is Roger Balzer. Welcome to our 2-Minute Tuesday for June 3rd of 2014. We've just finished 5 months of trading in 2014, and up until now, this year could be called the year of Seinfeld, which is to say it's largely been a show about nothing. This is not to say there haven't been any noteworthy events this year. The Ukrainian situation, a new Fed chairman, and trying to find out her preferences. But there's been a shortage of performance dispersion. We now have 5 months of trading in the books, and the returns of virtually every major category are tightly clustered around each other. This has been a very tough year in a market that basically is showing us nothing. There's been very little difference in the returns of a fully invested bond portfolio, stock portfolio, or even cash portfolio. There's a little difference between the balanced strategic cash allocation or pie chart and the fully tactical sector rotation approach that we use here at Balzer Wealth Management. Frankly, there's very little difference between just about anything. As I said before, 2014 has been the show or the market about nothing. But this concentration of returns, I don't believe, is likely to continue. Meaning we haven't seen this happen very often. Much of what did well the first couple of months of 2014 did very poorly the next couple of months. This caused our current situation. The point generally is 2014 is and does feel like a very difficult year, largely because my job is to generate alpha. As the table shows, it has been a difficult year. There's been very little rotation of asset classes or even sectors. I'm sure you're like me and you're beginning to feel a little frustration with this market. But equity investments remain in the leadership trend and thus a category I expect to pull away from the pack at some point in the future. If this trend of the equity market becomes beached, like any good marine biologist, I'll look to resuscitate performance with whatever trend takes its place faster than one could say, "Is that a Titleist?" As always, remember that any of the securities mentioned in this video are not a recommendation to buy or sell, and they also do not represent specific recommendations of Balzer Wealth Management. If you're relying on a video for investment advice, you're making a big mistake. You should consult with your investment advisor before you make a decision to buy or sell any investment. And if you do not have an investment advisor, I encourage you to contact me at 440-934-3114 or through our website at www.balzerwealth.com. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to seeing you next week.